Gage and I are leaving to Norway in a couple of days. So I wanted to make this video talking about what I'm packing and the bags that I will be bringing on this trip. This trip is only for a week, so I'm not too concerned about the weight of these items. I will be more concerned about that for our year-long trip. This is everything that I'm wearing on my person on the plane. So I have some nice comfy walking shoes, a hat because I would prefer not to have to put that in my luggage. I could just put it under the seat when I get there. And then of course, my outfit for traveling. I'm bringing a comfy dress and a blazer. Besides that, I just have my lanyard for my passport, and that's it. This is the bag I'm bringing for my personal item. It's a backpack I actually found dumpster diving. It was brand new from Ross. The only thing that was wrong with it was a broken zipper, and I was able to fix that pretty easily. In my personal item, I have my extra battery for charging phones or cameras, my American plug adapters. Then I have my phone, my wallet, my neck pillow that I'm going to be attaching to the outside of the bag, a few packages of rice that I can open and eat at any time, my reusable water bottle, toothpaste, toothbrush, a few reusable containers for food, and also a few eating utensils, a notepad and pen, and also a folder for all of my printed out tickets, my umbrella, some duct tape just in case something breaks along the way, my charging cables, my headphones, and some shea butter and rose water just to freshen up my skin on the journey. This is my carry-on item, the one that's going to be in the overhead compartments in the airplane. This backpack is nice because it's the universal max dimensions for a carry-on item, but I can also slip it on my back, which is nice. In here, I have my laptop, my pajamas, some boots, some socks, a sweater, a pair of tights, 2 tote bags for grocery shopping or whatever I need. I'm also going to be putting my shoes inside of them so they don't touch the rest of the clean clothes in my carry-on bag. Nail clippers, hairbrush, a container for my hair ties and bobby pins, 5 outfits, a pair of ballet flats, a scarf, a few more containers of rice, my makeup bag, which also includes my soaps, and my purse. Gage and I are sharing a checked bag, and so we're just going to be splitting it down the middle. This is what I have on my side. This is a water pitcher we're bringing. This is so we don't have to buy a bunch of water bottles to drink, and we can just refill our reusable water bottles. I have a big warm jacket that's also waterproof. We have these international plugs. It's like a power strip that we can just plug a bunch of things into. And then I have my yoga mat. So that's everything. I'll let you know how this works out after we get back from our trip. See you next video.